Discovered a MED file in a retro computing archive or demoscene collection? This is a tracker music file from the legendary Amiga computer era. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to play and enjoy these classic Amiga tracker compositions. I highly recommend this quick preparation step. Keep a universal file viewing program installed. It's a lifesaver for bypassing minor MED corruption, and I'll detail the best one shortly. MED files are tracker music module files, created by MED and OctaMED music editors on the Commodore Amiga platform. They contain sequenced musical compositions with embedded audio samples, pattern data, instrument definitions, and playback commands in the module tracker format, used extensively in Amiga games and demoscene productions. MED files use a binary module format, storing PCM audio sample data in 8-bit resolution, with pattern sequence tables, note event, data per channel volume, and effect commands and instrument sample loop point definitions. The format supports 4 to 64 channels, with Amiga-style period-based pitch and ProTracker-compatible effect commands. The core association for the MED file points directly to OpenMPT, Open Mod Plug Tracker, developed by OpenMPT project. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows supports basic audio functionality, though serious editing requires specialized software. We are testing the limits of your installed programs. Right-click the MED file and select Open With. Test OpenMPT, Open Mod Plug Tracker, first. If it fails, select another application. Compatibility is not always straightforward. If you still can't open the MED file, it's okay. The stubbornness of this MED file requires decisive action. Run these specific tests right now to determine the exact failure point. First, playing with module players. Open the MED file in XMPlay or OpenMPT Player, both free module file players for Windows. These players render the tracker music in real time, displaying the pattern data channel activity and sample information. XMPlay plays the file immediately with high-quality audio output and optional DSP effects processing. Next, opening in OpenMPT, launch OpenMPT, open ModPlug Tracker, and use File. Then open to load the MED module file. OpenMPT displays the full composition in its pattern editor, showing note data, sample assignments, volume commands, and effects for each channel. Play the module with the spacebar and explore the composition structure and instrument samples. Finally, converting to audio files. In OpenMPT, use File then Export as lossless or Export as lossy to render the MED module to WAV FLAC or MP3 format. Configure the output sample rate and bit depth for the rendered audio. This creates a standard audio file from the tracker data playable in any media player without requiring module player software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.